RIME stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the very end. With Algorhythm Holdings stock, we're sitting at 7.45% down for the day, and it's like 8 cents almost. It's a little bit higher, you know, so that's west from where we closed, which is cool. Post market, but obviously it really depends where we're going to open tomorrow. But before I get into it, just for context, I have done 32,000 videos over the last 4 years, and as a result, the strategy has delivered thousands of great predictions. I mean, I've spent thousands of dollars on course entries myself over that time period, so you don't have to. Now, specifically with RIME, you see I had lines pointing towards the downside, hoping to, you know, take the lows out. And I was willing to short, but only if I saw my rules met. But in this case, it was just not an environment that I was willing to trade, purely because there was a lot of gaps, and there's still gaps here. So I really think that the next couple of days or so, we're gonna have an expansion up to fill in the gap and whatnot. But with RIME, it's still just a bearish market, and that's all I can say about it. You know, bearish market, but no, I'm not gonna take any shorts though. So that's how RIME looks like for me. If you want to learn to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.